Hi guys, it's me Hey Chocolate Madness and today I am doing a short tutorial on MakeCode Arcade on how to make a small easy game. So I'm gonna click new project and I'm gonna give the project name game and then click create. We're gonna cancel this and then on start we are gonna go to scene and set background image to. We're gonna go here and then we can pick any backdrop. In the end, I will tell you what game are we making. These are all of the backgrounds. The, these are some pretty good backgrounds. I'm gonna pick this flower one because this looks very pretty. And I'm gonna just press done. And then we need to make a variable. The variable name will be hero. And then I'm gonna press OK. Then set hero. We're gonna delete this. Go to sprites and then set my one. We're gonna select this one. Here we are gonna do our variable which is hero and then sprite blank of player. We can customize our own or we can pick it from our gallery. I'm gonna pick her as our 1 second. Asset name, her name will be player. Now we are gonna go to controller and move. Here we are gonna do hero, but we will not press this because let me just do one. Since we need to only move with the arrow keys, so that's why we are gonna just leave this. And then we are gonna go to sprites again, or we will search. No, we will search set hero. 1 second, set stay. Yeah, yes, this one. Hero. Our first code part is done. Now we will gonna do the others. So we are gonna go on. We're gonna take this. We're gonna leave these as they are and do not player but enemy. Then destroy what? Let me go to sprites. Yes. No, disintegrated. 400 ms. Here we are gonna do hero. No, one with destroy. We will leave disintegrate 400 ms. And then we're gonna go to here and play sound budding until done. And then we are gonna go to info and chain life by -1. Then we're gonna duplicate, go down, put this will stay the same, but we're gonna put projectile, then confetti, effect 400 ms. Then we're gonna go to music again, but we're gonna sound pew pew, and then we're gonna go to info and delete that and change score by 1. We're gonna scroll down a bit further. Then we are gonna go here and on every game update we need 5,000. We won't have the option of 5,000, so we will need to type it ourselves. 5,000. And then we're gonna make 2 more new variables. One will be lower, the other will be B. Then I'm gonna put one here and the other one again. We're gonna choose this and do lower here. Then we are gonna go to sprites and choose we're gonna pick like this, and here I'm gonna choose clover, and then I am gonna duplicate it, and instead of clover I am gonna do B. One second, I sprite, scroll down a bit, and I'm gonna do this one. Duplicate and copy this downwards, clover, and then B. Instead of this, we're gonna go to game and take one map, and we're gonna do pick random, duplicate it. No, wait a second. Here I'm gonna write -50 150. Then I'm gonna go duplicate this and do this. It will stay the same, 50 and 50. Then we are gonna go here and set, and then we are gonna go here uh, we are gonna choose 1 second, set. We're gonna take this one, be kind to enemy. Let's choose the clover. But I'm gonna choose the flower. And then for the bee, I will make the bee. Let's see if the gallery have it. Now it does not have a bee. So let's make it. I'm gonna go here. First of all, we're gonna do like this, fill it. Then sort of a blue color. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, no. Go here. We're gonna change this blank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And then we're gonna go here and make a block of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And then fill it up. Now for the black lines. And I'm gonna name it B. Our game is finished. Now let's see if it is working or not. So let's see. We have 3 lives. This is our score. Oops. Another life has gone. All of our lives are gone and our score was 4 and game over and score 4. Now this was the end. Wait a second. Let's save it. Now this was the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Hi guys, it's